Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated like wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to open Play Store and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now click at the three lines at the bottom right corner and choose Settings. Over here tap on Accept. And now you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Save Wallpaper, click on Set As, and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you want to get rid of it, all you need to do is go into Play Store again and tap on Uninstall, then choose Uninstall again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!